What is up, guys, and welcome to Cinx TV. I am Sin Fatal, aka Omega Skull, as you guys already know. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a cool little way to sneak in your Hot Cheetos Extra. Just like I have here. So if you guys are new to Cinx TV, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, make sure you guys hit that like button. And stay tuned for a lot more videos we got coming up for you guys. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, I'm done with my homework. Now, guys, when you're sitting in class, to get this started, all you need to do is buy yourself a bag. This is an extra large bag, which makes it a little bit more difficult. But if you buy the smaller bags, it would be so much more easier. But we could do it with this one. So you need a bag of chips, Hot Cheetos Extra, my preference. And you need 2 pieces of Velcro that I have handy right next to me. Now, guys, this piece right here with the fuzz is the one you want to stick on the back to the bag. So I've peeled this one, as you can see here, and this one you just want to place, if whatever size bag you have, place it right in the middle, just like that. And press firmly to make sure it's on there, and it's set. Perfect. You see that? Now, the next one is the one you want to put inside of your sweater. You can get away with wearing a sweater because it's winter time. So the teacher will not say anything like, oh, take off that sweater, young man or young girl. No, that will not happen because it's winter time. So you can wear your sweater literally all day. But for this, I'm wearing a zip-up hoodie, as you guys can see here, which makes it perfect for this because you can open it like that. And you have all this space, as you can see here. Look at that. You can do so much with that.
Wouldn't it be better though if it had a pocket on it?
Yeah, it would be awesome. That would be a really cool addition. Now, some sweaters do come like that. I don't happen to have one myself, but I have seen them. But they do go up for a lot of money.
Well, even if they do have pockets, they would never be able to fit this big old bag.
Yeah, definitely. You need a hoodie sweater, and look at that. You could probably fit a family size bag in that one. So, you want to peel the next one off, just like that. Now this one, you want to center it towards the middle because you want to leave some space, right? So you want to probably put it right about there. Press firmly. And now it's set. Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? Before you guys get into class, because your teacher is not going to allow you to do this in class, right? She is literally not going to allow you to sit there. Oh, I wish I had some Hot Cheetos and I wish they were hidden. That ain't going to happen. So you gotta put your homework aside, get your Velcro and get your chips ready, set them up like I showed you guys, and before you guys get into class, make sure that you guys attach it just like I'm gonna do so here. But make sure you guys open it as well. Yummy!
Oh man, I want some of those.
So, once you've done that, then you take your chips, you place them right on there, just like that. Press firmly. And what do we have here? Some chips, very well hidden for the go. Now, you just tuck them in just like that. And look at that, hands-free, sitting in class. Want some chips, guys?
I'll take some.
You can have some next. Or any of your friends. Hey, guys, y'all want some chips? Pretty cool. So there you guys have it, my Sin Fatals and Sin Fatalettes. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to us. We would very, very much appreciate that. As for me, I'm Sin Fatal, aka Omega Skull, and I'll see you later.